Honourable Senators, pursuant to Standing Order number 8, a candidate may, by written notice to the clerk, withdraw his or her candidature before ballot is started. In this regard, I wish to draw the attention of the Honourable Senators that this morning, by a letter dated 8 September 2022 and addressed to the Clerk of the Senate, Senator Mazayo Stewart Shadrack Mochiru withdrew his candidature for the position of Deputy Speaker of the Senate. Honourable Senators, Senator Mazayo Stewart Shadrack Mochiru, having withdrawn his candidature for the position of Deputy Speaker of the Senate, we now have only one duly nominated candidate for the position of the Deputy Speaker of the Senate. Standing Order number 11, as read together with Standing Order number 13.4, provides that if there is only one candidate who has been duly nominated for election as Deputy Speaker at the expiry of the nomination period, that candidate shall be declared forthwith to have been elected Deputy Speaker without any ballot or vote being required. Consequently, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order number 11, as read together with Standing Order number 13.4, I hereby forthwith declare Senator Murungi Kathuri to be duly elected as the Deputy Speaker of the Senate. I shall now proceed to administer the oath of affirmation of office on the Deputy Speaker.